When you choose your sweetheart with your heart, guess what? A time will come, the brain will wake up. When the brain wakes up, don't come to me and say, Father, I want a divorce. So to live with someone, you need to choose them with your heart. You need to love them. Because if you do not love them, how are you going to accept everything from them and tolerate them for the rest of your life? Impossible. Why do marriages end up in divorces? Because the day love diminishes, the day love is non-existent, there is no relationship. To maintain the relationship with the love of our life, we need to keep that love kindled. We need to keep that bond of love ever so strong. And the only way we can maintain this relationship, give your heart always, not just once and once only, every single day of your life. Say, I'll give you my heart. Every day. Because a relationship built on love, it needs to live this love every single moment. You don't love your sweetheart just at the beginning when you stand before the priest and the holy altar and say, I do, I do. Or you go to honeymoon to Hawaii and after Hawaii you say, bye-bye. No, you love them every single moment. Every morning you wake up, you say, good morning, love. Who are you? Love must be lived. And this is why in the book of Proverbs 23:26, the Lord God is speaking. See, He is the same God. The Old Testament God is the same God of the New Testament. In Proverbs 23:26, He is saying, my son, give me your heart. Well, again, He didn't say give me your brain, your mind, your intellect, your head. No, give me your heart. Why? Because I am the God of hearts, not intellects. And when God gave the 2 commandments that we can make them, they are one but with 2 branches. It is one commandment that has 2 branches to it. What is that commandment that was given to Adam by God Himself? He said, Adam, you need to love God with all of your heart, then your mind.